This is how I turn long videos into viral clips in minutes, and you can do the same. Editing long videos used to be a nightmare, but not anymore. VideoHunt finds the best moments in your video and makes clips for you. Now, I get shareable content 10 times faster. To start using VideoHunt, follow the link in the description below. The best part is that you can use it for free. No more manual editing. Just paste your YouTube, live stream, or webinar link, and VideoHunt will find the best moments for you. Edit clips your way. With VideoHunt AI, I can trim and adjust my videos easily. No editing skills needed. Here is the viral video that VideoHunt generated from the link provided.
And just generally to have like not a zero-sum mindset, like have more of a grow the pie mindset. Like if you sort of say, like, when I see people, like perhaps including some very smart people, kind of taking an attitude of like doing things that seem like morally questionable, it's often because they have at a base sort of axiomatic level a zero-sum mindset, and they, without realizing it, they don't realize they have a zero-sum mindset, or at least they don't realize it consciously. And so if you have a zero-sum mindset, then the only way to get ahead is by taking things from others. If it's like if the pie is fixed, then the only way to have more pie is to take someone else's pie. But this is false. Like, obviously the pie has grown dramatically over time, the economic pie. So in reality, you can have the
Let's take a look at other examples of viral videos generated with VideoHunt AI.
And we're also gonna fly on this $25,000 private jet, a $10,000 first class seat, a blimp, and so much more. But before I show you what it's like to fly on some of the most luxurious planes on the planet, we're gonna fly on the cheapest plane in the world.
It's really rickety.
Here's the dollar.
I'm very nervous.
Nothing to be nervous about. I've done this half a dozen times.
You've done this 6 times.
Why does this sound like a lawnmower engine? Time for a ride on the world's cheapest plane ticket. Oh boy. Oh my God. Oh no. We're going so fast.
That does not sound safe.
They almost hit a camera. Why?
Keep your seatbelt on.
You just focus on keeping me alive, Doug.
Let's see another. It helps me to turn long videos into viral clips in minutes. I love using VideoHunt AI, and I'm sure you will too. Try it for free using the link below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like it. Support my channel by subscribing and sharing this video, and also, don't forget to turn on the notification button for more videos.